Good morning traders, this is just a quick analysis on Euro USD. I'm just gonna make this quick. I just posted the one for GBP USD. If you didn't check that one out, you can just quickly check that one out. So we are looking at Euro USD here from the 1 hour chart. We saw that on Friday it created this highest high, and then it came and closed low. But then it came and cleared that low. We are expecting this to go up a little bit but continuing down. So let's just put our Fibonacci retracement from the highest high to the lowest low point there. All right. Okay, so where we are is in a major resistance area, but if you look at the market, it's supposed to go back up a little bit, at least to touch the equilibrium here, or just to go into the OTE. So we are having zones to consider, which in this case, I'm just gonna draw this. We've got this zone consider, and then we've got the other zone where the market is supposed to reach. We are looking at the market reaching here today. Okay, that's our first target profit. If it breaks this zone, then we are going to go to target 2. Target 2 is right here, so we're gonna break and go through the ADR low, the average daily range, and then we come to our target 2 zone. Okay, so this up here should be our entry point, but today there's not much news, so it might not go there. It can just continue to go down because there's not much news to push it. So we are in a zone where it might just start going down until it hit the ADR low, the average daily range low at 1.15735. Okay, so we are looking at that, and then I'm gonna be placing my trades also here so that we analyze together. So this is what I'm looking at today. The market will just push a little bit into that zone, and then one more shoot, then we go down the whole of the day. All right, so hope this helps. If you like it, like our page, share this post with your friends, and let them learn how to trade. Let's make money online. All right, so this is Herbert signing out from Make Money Online FX, and happy trading. God bless you all. Bye.